part of Earth. It is made up of the brittle crust and the soft part of the upper mantle. The lithosphere is the coolest and most rigid part of Earth. For example, rocks move about in the lithosphere and subject to weathering and natural phenomena. Ano ka na?
Hello, my name is Haven, and I am your captain. Most mountain and mountain ranges are part of mountain belts that have formed where two lithospheric plates have converged, and where in most cases they continue to converge in effect. Many mountain belts mark the boundaries of lithospheric plates, and these boundaries in turn intersect other such boundaries. A rock cycle can be explained in the following steps. Molten rock from the mantle magma pushes up through the crust. Pools of magma cool down slowly in the crust to form igneous rock. Like granite, some magma escapes to the surface as lava in the form of a volcano.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jadrick Gerald, your commander.
And I am Haven and Marcelina, your captain.
Please welcome our members.
Hello, my name is Rafael and I am the leader. And I just want to conclude our research. During our research, we have found that the Earth is composed of rocks and soil that would form up the lithosphere, which is the land that we step on. And that is what I conclude. Thank you.
That's all.